If you're an AnyLogic user, you have encountered the elevator object from the pedestrian library. Even though this elevator is very useful, it can only be used with pedestrians. But it's very often that we need to use elevators with other kinds of agents, from the process modeling library, like normal agents, or with resources. And since this doesn't exist in AnyLogic, we created this new library that you can use on your own models, and we want to share it with you. So in this video, we will show a demo on how it works in the AnyLogic framework, and also a demo on how it works in a real model. So let's get started.
This demo of the elevator group library shows a multi-story building where pink delivery men use the elevators to pick up packages and deliver them to various offices across different floors. Meanwhile, cyan-colored pedestrians use these elevators to go to their apartments. Okay, so I will show now the library. Here we are in AnyLogic, and we are going to use the example of the demo to describe some things. So here we have the library icon of the elevator, and this library has 6 agents. We are only using the first 5, and the first one is elevator special agent, which is the type of agent that all agents using this library have to be extended from. I have defined here 3 types of agents: product, postman, and resident, and all these agents are using the elevator special agent. As you can see here in this part of the agent, you can see that this option of extends other agent is activated, and we have to select here the elevator special agent. Then there is elevator settings, which is where you have to define the token of the library. Later we have elevator group, which is the agent that defines all the animation related to this group of elevators. So you can see here this presentation of the agent, and the elevator group East has this other presentation. And you can see here a lot of parameters defined for each one of these groups of elevators. And then take elevator is the logic block that you will have to use in your flowchart. So for example, here I used take elevator with other blocks of the process modeling library. And this take elevator block can be used only with normal agents and resources. In the other hand, we have take elevator by ped, which is the logic block that you can use with your pedestrians. In this case, I use this block, of course, with the agents of the pedestrian library. The elevator group can have multiple elevators working at the same time, and it's even possible to define in which levels or floors the elevators are able to stop. The user can define width, depth, height, and color to set the appearance. Also, the speed, opening and closing time of the doors can be defined, and the user can limit the agents based on the number of agents or the total weight of them in the elevator. Here you can see the pedestrians entering to these blue elevators, and they are going to different floors where their apartments are. You can see here the pedestrians entering and going up with the elevators. And on the other side, you can see these pink resources that are picking these boxes and are going up with the elevators in order to carry these boxes to offices. And then when they are coming back, they will have to wait for the blue elevators, and if the blue elevators are taking more time than they expected, they will go down with the stairs. Like for example, this agent right here. And this is using the feature of timeout of the take elevator block.